Hello and hi to beautiful people. This is your trainer MD Akbar. Again, I'm here with new expression, with new lesson. That is very common. That is very useful. Most of the time, you have to use this expression. That's why I came up with this expression so that you can know how to use, where to use, and how to make the conversation very enthusiastic and very magnetic. So it's very important. So the expression is very common, as I told you. So what is the expression of today's class? Expression is for you, all of you guys, in relation to. In relation to is very common. Is one of the reacted to one of the most common English phrase where you have to use often. You have to speak. You have to come across while writing, while listening, while studying. I have to clarify one thing is when more than two things, or the situation and the condition, or two person more than, it could be uncountable. It is uncountable. Okay, it could be anyone. It could be number of things. It could be like 2 and 3 and 4, but it must be more than two. So that is the situation. If something is connected, it is connected or merge each other. It's combined each other, like two events. It could be two person is combined each other, two families, two opinion, two point of views is like same and very similar to each other. So I have to say is the connection. If it is like the connection, so you have to use in the relation to. So it is the definition of the in relation to. So I want make it very clear with the example, so that you people guys especially know how to use and where to use the expression. You have to use this expression and of the sentence, and of the your talk and your limitation, whatever you have to say, whatever you have to show the connection and the relation between two things, between two person, between among any of numbers. So you have to use in relation to. The very first example for you, that is, this investigation is related to Islamic University. So here what is in relation to doing here? In connection, especially over here, is used because of here investigation is one part. It's a one segment of the talk, and the second segment of the talk is Islamic University, where I'm trying to show the connection between two things. Investigation is going on because of Islamic University. So both of the thing is interconnected. It is combined each other because of some reason, because of some happenings, because of some problems, because of some issues. So that's why it is in connection with. You have to use here. And the second example I have for you, that is very interesting for you. Each and every action of yours must be related to Allah's and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's method and rule and regulation. If you want to be successful man in this world and after here, so you must follow the instruction of the Almighty Subhanahu wa Taala. And I hope that you came to know something different, and it is overreacted, is over useful. It is very useful expression. If you want to show the expression between two things, if you want to show the connection and the coordination and combination between two and more than two and three things, so you have to use this expression so that people can understand you more better and your talk more better. So there is no confusion. So if you like this video, if you like this expression, and so like this video, subscribe the channel, and make sure you have to click the bell icon, so that each and every video when I make for all of you guys, so you will be notified by that. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.